CHIJ St. Nicholas. This is for term 2, termly assessment 2 for 2021. Okay, let's take a look at the first question. Dion had 10,800 balloons. She packed 50 balloons into each bag. She used 175 bags altogether. How many balloons were left unpacked? Okay, so for the first question, right? She didn't pack everything. So every bag, there will be 50 balloons, right? And she used a total of 175 bags. So what we do is we take 50 times 175 to find out how many balloons she actually packed into the bags. So calculators allowed for this paper. You get 8750, but actually she actually had 10,800 at first. So we need to find what is left unpacked. So we minus. Okay, so total at first minus what is being packed. This will give us 2,050. Okay, question 2. Elias, Fred, and Gopal collected some cards in a ratio 13:7:12. Okay, so you write down the ratio E to F to G, 13:7:12. Fred collected 48 fewer than Elias. How many cards did Gopal collect? Okay, so the difference between F and E is 6 units, which is 48. Okay, so this 6 units is 48. Find 1 unit, so 48 divided by 6. We're looking for Gopal. Gopal is 12 units, so 12 units is 12 times 8. Answer 96. Okay, question 3. In the figure below, AB is the base of triangle ABD, which is the shaded one. What is the area of triangle ABD, the shaded triangle? Okay, so area of triangle is half times base times height. Now, if this is the base, where is the height? The height has to be perpendicular. So see a right angle here, right? So the height will have to be DC, which is 42. So this is the height. So all we have to do is just take half times base times height. That's all. Okay, so key in your calculator, you get 630. Okay, next question, question 4. Sally had a roll of ribbon. She cut 8 ribbons of length 1 and 1/4 meter each to wrap some presents. She was left with 3 1/10 meter of ribbon. What was the length of the roll of ribbon Sally had at first? Leave your answer as a mixed number. Okay, so first 1 ribbon, as shown in the picture, right? 1 ribbon is 1 1/4 meters. Okay, so now she cut out 8 ribbons. So you need to find what is 8 ribbons. So 1 1/4 meters times 8. This will give us 10 meters. And she was left with 3 1/10. You're supposed to find the at first, right? So you add on what she's left with. Okay, the 8 ribbons plus what she's left with. So total will be 10 plus 3 1/10. So that will give us 13 1/10 meters. Okay, question 5. Ning Hui saved the same amount of money every week for 9 weeks. With the total amount of money saved in the 9 weeks, she bought a pair of shoes that cost $142.35. She had $750 left in the end. How much money did Ning Hui save every week? Okay, so after saving for 9 weeks, right, she could buy the shoe and still have some money left So what was the amount that she saved in total? So it's the cost of the shoes plus what is left. Okay, so the total saved will be the shoes, 142.35, plus what she's left with. $149.85. Okay, this is the total amount that she saved over the 9 weeks. We are supposed to find how much she saved every week. So we just take this amount. Since this is for 9 weeks, we divide it by 9. So answer $16.65. Question 6, at a bookshop, the ratio of number of magazines to storybooks to comics, 10 to 3 to 4. There are 252 storybooks and comics altogether. Okay, storybooks and comics will be a total of 7 units. So 7 units is 252. We're supposed to find the number of magazines. Okay, so find 1 unit first. So 252 divided by 7. 252 divided by 7. This will give us 36. So magazines, 10 units. So 36 times 10. Okay, so 360 magazines. Question 7, JKLM is a square. Find the sum of NKJ, which is this one, NJK, and JKN, which is this one. Okay, so this is a square, so you have right angle here, right angle here. So NJK, which is this one here, is 90 minus 22. 68. Then now to find this one here, JKN. We also take 90 minus 43, which is 47. Then we find the sum. Okay, so 68 plus 47. Answer 115 degrees. Question 8. Jean and Indira each bought 2 kg of flour to make some pancakes. So they had the same amount of flour was used for each pancake. Jean made 45 pancakes and had 650 grams left. Indira made 10 more pancakes than Jean. How much flour was used for each pancake? Okay, so for the amount of flour that they have, right, at first is 2 kg. So let's change it to grams. Okay, let's look at Jean. She made 45 and then she had 650 grams left. So what I can do is I can find the 45 pancakes by using the total minus away what's left. So 45 pancakes. $1,350. So 1 pancake, 1,350 divided by 45. So I get 30. So this is my answer for 1 pancake, 30 grams. Okay, now for part B, with the remaining flour from both girls, how many more such pancakes can be made at most? So with the remaining flour, I need to find out what is left, right, after they made all the pancakes. Okay, so there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to find out how much each of them is left with. Okay, for Jean is 650 grams. What about Indira? Indira would have less. Okay, Indira would have less flour left because she made extra 10. So let's find what's 10 pancakes. That's the extra that she used. Okay, so 10 times 30, 300, right? So if Jean is left with 650 grams, what about Indira? So Indira would have less amount of flour left, right? So how much lesser? It will be 300 grams lesser. Okay, so minus 300 grams. But she used that for the extra 10 pancakes. So from here, I'll find the total amount left. So 650 plus 350. That will give me 1000 grams. 1000 grams, how many pancakes can we make? Remember from part A, right? The one pancake is 30 grams. So what I need to do is to divide by 30. Okay, if you key in your calculator, right? Calculator's allowed, right? So you will get 33.33333, right? Okay, so the whole number is what we want, 33, maximum 33. There's a remainder of how many more grams? So 33 groups of 30 is 990 grams. There's actually remainder of 10 grams. Okay, remainder 10 grams. So at most, how many pancakes can we make? So answer is 33. Okay, question 9. Figure below, we have PQRS, a rectangle, and an STU, a triangle. PQ is twice of QR. Okay, QR is here. PQ is twice. Okay, this is 48. Then SR is 3 times of SU. SR is 3 times of SU. So SU will be 1/3. So we divide by 3. Then what about PS? PS is 24 minus 7. Okay, so what I need to do in order to find my unshaded, I need to find the rectangle, area of rectangle minus area of triangle. Okay, so rectangle will be 48 times 24, 1152. Then the triangle, half times base times height, which is 136. So your unshaded will be rectangle minus away my triangle. Okay, so this will give us 1016 square cm. Okay, question 10. Lyndon saved 2/7 of his money and gave 3/5 of the remainder to his mother. Then he divided the remaining amount equally between his 4 sisters. So part A, what fraction of Lyndon's money did he divide among each of his 4 sisters? Leave your answer in the simplest form. Okay, so 2/7 of his money, right? Let's draw 7 units. Okay, so 2/7 is what he saved. Then we have 3/5 of the remainder. So this is the remainder. The 5 units is the remainder. Now I want 3/5, right? And just nice, I have 5 units. So I can just take 3 units for the mother. Then the remaining amount is for the 4 sisters. If the remaining amount is for the 4 sisters, part A, what fraction of his money did he divide among each of his 4 sisters? So this 2 units for 4 people, we need to make it into 4 units by cutting it. Okay, then we're going to cut everything else. So what we can see now is that the total amount of money becomes 14 units. And 1 sister is going to get 1 unit. Because you have 4 units, 4 units shared among 4 sisters. So each person you get 1 unit. So your answer for part A, what fraction? It'll be 1 over 14. Right, so 1 over 14. Okay, then for part B, each of them received 115. How much did Lyndon have at first? So if 1 unit is 115, you want to find the total, which is 14 units. You just need to take 115 times 14. So answer 1610. Okay, dollars 1,610. Okay, last question, 11. Olivia and Patricia bought some gift cards at the prices shown below. So your small gift cards are sold at $3 for $5. The large ones are at $2 for $7. So Olivia spent a total of $36 on some small and large gift cards. How many small gift cards did Olivia buy? Okay, so this is different from supposition. We don't know how many cards in total she bought. Okay, but we do know that the total amount spent is $36. So $36 has to be a combination of $5 and $7, right? So you're supposed to find the correct combination of 5 and 7 to make 36. Okay, so you can do guess and check. Otherwise, you can do it in a systematic manner. We start off with finding what is the largest number of groups of your large gift cards. Okay, so large gift cards are in groups of 2 at $7. So if you have $36, how many groups can you get? So we take 36 divide by 7. Okay, so what I'm finding is the maximum number of groups of large. So I'll take 36 divide by $7. Maximum I get is 5, and I have a remainder of $1. Now, this $1, the remaining amount of money will go to the small gift cards, right? But $1 cannot get, like, you can't get small gift cards. The small gift cards, they are sold at $5 in a group. Okay, so what we need to do now is the groups. I know the maximum is 5, right? Groups of large. I can't go any bigger. So what I'll do is I'll list them out. Remaining $1. Okay, so if I get 5 groups of large gift cards, I get $1 left, right? So what I'm going to do is, I know it cannot go higher, so I'll make it go lower, okay? So every time you exchange or you go to the next one, you reduce by 1 group of large. Now, every group of large is worth $7. So my remaining amount of money will be $7 more. So my remaining is now $8. $8, I cannot get small gift cards exactly with no remainder. right? So no, this is not. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find the remainder as a multiple of $5. Okay, so I keep going. So now the number of large will decrease again by 1. So this $8 remainder, right? I will add another 7. So now I get $15. And yes, I can buy the small gift cards now without any leftover money. Okay, because this is a multiple of 5. So the first one cannot, second cannot, third one, yes. Okay, so with $15, how many small gift cards can I get? $15 divide by 5 to find number of groups. So there are 3 groups of small, right? So 3 groups of small will be 3 times 3 because the small gift cards are sold in groups of 3s. So answer for part A is 9. Okay, now for part B, Patricia bought an equal number of small and large gift cards. Okay, so the important thing to note here is equal number. She spent $33 more on the large gift cards. How many small and large gift cards did Patricia buy altogether? So this is grouping where I'll group equal number of small and large. Usually equal number, I put 1 and 1. But in this case, I can't because small are sold in groups of 3, large will be sold in groups of 2. So what I need to do to make it equal, right, is to find a common multiple of 3 and 2. So common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. So if 3 small is $5, let's find 6 small, which is $10. Then if 2 large is $7, then I will find 6 large, which I will times 3. Okay, so this is what I have in one group. This 10 and this 21. 6 small, $10. 6 large, $21. This is one group. I have many groups. I know that there's $33 more on the large. So that's the total difference. So then I will find the difference in one group. Okay, so 21 minus 10. Then next, I'll find number of groups. I take $33, divide by the difference in one group, which is 11. I'll get 3 groups. Now, 3 groups, what's the question asking for? How many small and large gift cards did Patricia buy altogether? So large and small in one group, there's 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So if there are 3 groups, then I'll take 3 times of that. Okay, so total there are 36 cards that Patricia bought. Okay, with that, that's the end of this paper. Thank you.